In today's video, we'll tell you about the life and the martyrdom of another martyr saint, Zoe of Rome, in my new video. And by the way, subscribe to my channel to see more updates and new content below. Saint Zoe of Rome was a noblewoman married to Nicostratus, a high Roman court official. For 6 years she had been unable to speak. Saint Sebastian made the sign of the cross over the woman, and she immediately began to speak, and she glorified Jesus. Zoe asked for baptism. She lived during the reign of Emperor Diocletian and his early persecution of Christians. She was greatly devoted to Saint Peter and was discovered praying by his tomb when she was arrested for her faith. She died stifled by smoke, hung over a fire. Her body then was thrown into the river Tiber. She is considered a saint in the Roman Catholic Church and Eastern Orthodox Church. Her feast day is on July 5th. And here's the last one I would like to talk about. Here's the 2-year video of Saint Sebastian in the description box below and description link below.